What up guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video we are redoing what we just put on. Not redoing, we're taking off what we just put on. So if you guys don't know, I've been running the DevSport front lip and the two side splinters about 2 months now, and I just believe it's ran its course. Now in the future I probably will put this back on, but if I'm not, I'm probably just going to sell the whole kit. But yes, that's what we're doing today. We're moving the DevSport front lip and the two side skirts, and I'm also taking off this boot right here that I never showed you guys anyway. So but yeah, this is what we're doing today. Then we're gonna clean this car up because this car needs a major wash. It's done this time, and I'm just ready to get this guy off and let's just go back to my old ways, because I really actually did like, I'm sorry for this bad lighting, you can't even see this guy. I really like the car without the front lip splinter and the side skirt splinter. I know guys, I was stressing about putting that guy on, but it's okay because we're taking it off and I don't really care anymore. But I might sell it if you're interested, but you gotta be in the Georgia area. Yes, that's what we're doing today. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe below and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of these updates, because your boys will be uploading more videos. And I got to talk to you guys about that because I've been in a very seriously crazy funk lately, and I want to update you guys about my life and everything like that. But yes, that's what we're doing today. So let's get started with this video, and let's go. Done with it. If anybody want to buy it in the local Georgia area, hit my line. Front lip splinter is off. Looks way better. Back to my normal look. And I got my cousin out here today. He had to stop by, see what's up. So we're done with this. Now this is the easy part. Now as soon as I take this off right here, every time I open the door, I won't make that flappy sound anymore because I think this is up too tight in this area, but it's about to go away. So nothing to it. Gonna knock these side splinters out right quick. All right, look, so if I hit these side skirts right quick, come follow me right quick. Go get under here, knock these guys out. That's one, buddy. Thing was barely even on. That is money. We're gonna throw it out here because we don't need this guy right now. Now to the other side we go. feel like I'm in like a race or something. I'm on NASCAR. Ooh, where's that? Oh, there it is. Take the front two out. And a lot of people gonna hate me for this, for taking this thing off. But I got a plan. And this is the other one. So we're gonna toss this one. Just like that too. All right, so both sides are off and the front is off. Hit you guys up in a minute. All right. All right, so you guys know what this is right here. This is called a brawl. I'm taking this guy off because he's ran this course too. But you can see right here. Come up closer for me, please. This thing is like hanging, it's loose. I think it's been like cut from somewhere in the engine bay, so this guy is definitely coming off. So I'm just gonna take all these guys off because there's no point having these guys right now. And this right here, I can't sell it to nobody because it's a 1/5 done deal. And I am like, this right here goes away. But as you can see, the braw's been sitting, it's been clearing, it's been protecting all my paint chips. So in the future, I will be getting a new hood. The carbon fiber hood will be on the way. So right now, I got everything off that I wanted. So now I'm about to take the car off the jacks, and then we're about to wash this car because this car is filthy to the max. Filthy. Thing is ugly and gross. But yeah, hit you guys up in a minute. But I am thinking of doing a more fancier style look with this car, and I think it will look good if I cambered out some more in the back and the front, and probably drop it just a little bit more. So that right there is going to be the new look for right now, just for right now. I also had to take the bra off. I feel like it's about to come off anyway, because I don't know what happened in the engine bay. Opened the hood up one day and it's like the strap just like it's been thinning out, and I don't want it to fall in the engine bay, catch on fire. Yes, I'm back to the basics. Now, there's other things I want to talk to you guys about, and just being 100% real with you guys. I've just been in a serious funk lately. I don't know what it is, but right now I just feel like there's so much stuff that like is just going on in my life, and it's not keeping me motivated and staying on task, doing YouTube videos, and like this is what brings me peace. Like this is, I have a vision for this channel. I just got to stay active. So yeah, I've been like in this funk lately, but yesterday I went to this Larry June concert, and it just changed my perspective on everything, because you know, watching him on stage is like actually seeing somebody who really went through something and stayed at it, even though it was bad times or good times. He stayed at it, and look where you're at now, the success. Do these videos and stuff like that. Like the hardship's gonna come. You're gonna have days where you don't want to get on YouTube. I'm gonna have days where I just don't want to do nothing at all. I want to think of this, but the passion that keeps me motivated, keeps me going, keeps me driving, no matter what. I just want to get on here and let you guys know what's been going on. I just been feeling in this like this bad funk lately, been discouraged, and like I don't know, like seeing other people do the same thing I do, and just feel like they had a higher success than me, and people getting opportunities and stuff like that, going places, you know, that can really discourage you from doing what you're doing. And sometimes that's my biggest downfall, is watching other people, and that hurts so much. And one thing about me, like, you know me and you've been watching my videos, like it's just me. Like I don't have friends to cruise with on Sundays or go to car shows with. It's just me, myself, and I. And sometimes I can really bring you down because you just feel like you're all alone in this, and which I am, and which is okay. But I know eventually people start coming, people, you know. But you know, when you feel that type of way and you start looking around and feeling like, dang, where's everybody at? Where's my crew? Where's my friends at? You know, and that's something that can really discourage you as an influencer or a creator. And that has discouraged me a lot, you know, lately. In the past couple weeks, I just been feeling so down because I get on social media, I flip, I see everybody having a good time, going to cruises and just chilling out. And you wish you can have that, but you don't. And that can really discourage you every time, every single time. But yeah, you know, it's just one thing I have to learn. Just keep going and just have tunnel vision the whole way, and don't worry about nothing else. Because if you don't, you can get where you want to be in your life. So that's one thing I have for this channel. I just want to keep growing, keep going, no matter what happens, the consequences, the risks I take. I'm gonna keep doing what I got to do. But that's all I want to get on here with you guys and talk to you about. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I see you guys later, and always remember, drive with passion, and always stay active and keep going.